Good morning, dear students of class 6th. In your writing skills, today I will teach you notice writing. But first, let us understand what is a notice. A notice is written to give information to a large number of people together by putting up the information on the notice board. So I have penned down some of the points that we have to keep in mind when we are writing a notice. First of all, write the notice in a third person and avoid first person. I will teach you how to do this. Second is, write the notice in a box. It is a rectangle box. We have to write the notice in the box. Third is, put the word notice in block and bold letters on at the top center. Means suppose this is a rectangle paper. On the top we have to write notice. Mention date, heading and name and designation of the issuing authority. Issuing authority is the person or anyone who is writing the notice on the notice board is the issuing authority. Include all important details such as time, place and date of event. Adhere means strictly fix to the word limit. Normally, writing a notice has 50 words in a notice. So you have to complete your notice within those 50 words because it should be very precise, concise, in a nutshell. Now I have drawn a format for you. Top, you have to write the name of the issuing authority or the place. It can be like, for example, KV Upper Camp or any other name of the school which is given in the question. Then we write notice in bold letters. Then date, I have put an arrow here, you put the date here. I'll show you how to put the date also. In expanded form without any comma. And under the notice you are going to write the heading or the title of the notice. This part is the content part where you have to write the content. And left hand side corner you have to put your name and your signature. Now I have given an example of this. See, I have written the notice on lost. Suppose a child loses something in the school and if he wants his thing back, he or she has to write the notice on the notice board. So this is one example I have written for you. You are Mohit or Malini, a student of class 6. You have lost your pencil box. See, he's lost his pencil box somewhere in the school compound. Write a notice on the school notice board giving all necessary details. You will get your thing back only if you write all the necessary details. Now see, on the top I have written ABC Public School because no name of the school was given in the question. We could have written KV Upper Camp also, but I have written ABC Public School. Then under that I have written notice in bold letters. Then I have written the heading lost because the notice is on lost. Here I have written on the left hand side the date, which is very important in notice writing. And on the left hand side I have written Mohit / Malini. If it is a boy, he will write Mohit. If it is a girl, she will write Malini. And your class. You are not going to put your signatures here because you are still a student. Now what do we have to write in the notice? Because it is on lost. This is to inform all the students. We have to write inform all the students because anyone can find your box they may have found your box in the playground. That I have lost my pencil box in the school compound. It is made of plastic, the make of your box, and the cartoon Doraemon is on the lid of the box. It contains 2 blue pens, 1 black pen, 1 pencil and 1 eraser. Whosoever finds it may return it to me in my class. You can also add treat is a promise, because if you will write treat is a promise, then anyone will immediately come to you and return the box to you. So, hope you have understood how to write a notice on lost. Next time I will teach you how to write a notice on found, when you find something. This time only we are going to ponder on the lost. Hope you have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.